everybody, this is Double O YouTube, and welcome back to Train Central. I think this might be our first video because the last ones weren't good enough, but as you can see, there's an Amtrak right up ahead. I can't see the camera very well because of the sun. Oh no, that noise. God dang it. And she is docked. What a magnificent train. This train is going to Baltimore from Washington. This is a Mark Train Central. The next train should be coming at 1:14. That train is how many minutes late? 8 minutes late. That train is coming around the bend. There she goes. You guys can see this better on the camera than I can. The next train should be coming from the way that you guys are facing. Speaking of facing, I need to learn grammar.
There's your schedule.
The next train is coming in 1:09. That was this train. The next train is right here, if you guys can even see that. It's 1:14. That train comes in. But right now, schedule says 8 minutes late.